And now, welcome back to the channel. Well, day number 3, working on this hot rod. I'm gonna start working on the wiring and everything. I'm starting everything off with the gauge cluster. If you're like me, the cluster is what matters the most. I gotta clean this dirty thing up. But I'm gonna set this up in here where it fits behind the fairing. I pulled the front piece off and I described me a line around and I gotta cut it out. I'm gonna start mounting this to it. Once I get that mounted to it and all, and I get my front fairing back up there, I'm gonna clean all that crap up, make it look good, and start wiping the bike down and all that stuff. I'm gonna start with the front, work my way back. So what I'm gonna do, we get the cluster mounted, and then I can plug up the wiring harness for the cluster. I can start changing out the controls to the 400 controls, and then I can get my headlight plugged up, and then I'll slowly work my way to the back of the bike, finishing with this plug right here, which is the tail light, which I think is pretty similar to what the Ninja 400 is. So let's try it. Let's just see what it does. Man, I like that thing. It's gonna be cool. Y'all hang out and ride with me for a little bit. Let me get this cut real quick. Here she be. Do a little bit more mounting on it, but that's about like it's gonna be. Let's get the get all the fingerprints off it. Let's stick the headlight bezel up on it and check, see what it looks like. Uh-oh. That's pretty close right there. Look, we gotta pull the mounting bolts back just a little bit to get it there to where we need it. But once we flex it in, look how nice that thing fits. It looks factory, don't it? Look at her. Look at that. That thing gonna look so good. I can't wait. I love the way it fits around the plastic there and how it's gonna fit from sitting on the bike. It's gonna be pretty sweet. All right, guys, got the cluster up here mounted. Start laying out the harness. Found a nice little spot for the ECU. The battery goes right here so it can act as the bottom. I got to square it up a little bit better. And start laying the harness out. Figure out where I'm going to go, where I'm going to shorten, what I'm going to shorten. Tie back, but we'll get it. I got to go to the hospital. Nikki ain't feeling too good. Chest is hurting her, so y'all say a prayer for her. She's been struggling for the past couple days, so I'm going to go here and check her out real quick. All right, we back at it, as you can tell. Working on this harness, trying to lay out where things are going to go. Nikki, they said she has a vitamin deficiency or whatever, so it's going to be a few weeks to get enough vitamins in her body. That's why she's been getting little panic attacks. But so we in here working on this thing. I'm gonna go through and lay this harness out, figure out where I need everything to go. I did have the ECU mounted up there. I didn't like it, so I got to change it around. So I went ahead and sprayed that bar. I'm just waiting on it to dry, and then I can start laying out the wiring. All right, we're still here working on it, but check this out. Rewired my ignition. Sweet. That much closer. So I cleaned all this up in here, which I like the way it turned out. Got more space in there because I was able to move my battery down. Stuff. I got my key working like it's supposed to. I got it where my kickstand, you put the kickstand up on it, you can, let me see if I can get you right here, hold it up. Where's my kickstand at? I gotta put the spring on my kickstand, but I got it where you take the kickstand. I thought so. Oh, the battery's dead. Yeah, so our battery's dead on it. Shit. I was gonna show y'all, it turns over. I got all that figured out. I got this passenger side over here about the way I want it. I gotta go through and do something with the hose over here. I'm out the ECU down here. I got it stuck down here for right now because my panel comes down and covers it. It'll probably stay right there. Gives me some room up here. Still gotta figure out my throttle body stuff. Gotta wire my gas tank. Gotta stick my gas tank on it and wire it because it gotta get it wired for my fuel gauge. But I gotta figure out something to do with all this crap. Which this right here is sold. This is for all the injector stuff. I'll probably have to extend it depending on where I go. But I do not like this little nest egg right here. Gotta figure out something to do with it. This is my gas tank plug. Gotta extend it. These are fine right here like this. This is fine right here like this. Still gotta figure out what that plug is for. I don't know. I remember when I unplugged the motor, I remember one of them not having nothing plugged up, and that might be the one. I gotta do something about all this wire right here. We gotta loosen it up and get the headlight stuff loosened up. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount it. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount this. I'll probably put a bracket under there, under the gas tank for it. Once I get my throttle body stuff, I'm not worried about it yet. Cause I can always cut the wires back and extend it. Probably, I'm thinking about splitting all the harness, the loom off of it and thin things out. Take it back the way I want it. I mean, it won't be bad if I take all this right here, get it tucked up in here nicely, get my throttle bodies running. The main thing is now, we gotta get the throttle body figured out where it's gonna go. I can wire the gas tank, that stuff's easy. It ain't but 3 wires on it to wire it up, or 4 wires. That gas tank had 3 on it. So I'm suppose this one might have 3 on it. I'll have to flip it up to look at it. When I cut the chain off and get it out of my way. I said I gotta go through and my next thing I'll probably do tomorrow, I'll probably go through and mount my radiator. Gonna get my radiator mounted where I want it, how I want it. Get it all trimmed up, and then I'll start buttoning things up on it. The only thing so far that I'm happy with, this section right here. Like I said, it looks a lot better than it ever did with the Z stuff, but we still got a lot to do on the wiring as far as cleaning it up. The bearings are ordered for the back wheel, got them ordered. I had to order a chain slider because I was missing one, the tensioner to adjust it, so I ordered it, ordered the bearings, waiting to hear back about the sprocket stuff. So I gotta figure out the sprocket and the chain stuff. But the main thing is right now, I'm gonna thin it out, probably take and thin out this harness tomorrow. Probably come in here and strip it out and thin it. Now I got it kind of laid out the way it needs to go. Because there's some of it I'd like to shorten up a lot, and there's some of it I need to lengthen. So we're gonna do something different with it. You just hold on, we'll get all that. But I am happy with it. Like I said, at least the we got it on here. We got the cluster working, all that. We got the gear shifter working. As far as like, well, I gotta rotate the motor to get it to go to gears. But we got all that stuff working like it's supposed to. We got the oil pressure hooked up, O2 sensor. We got all that stuff took care of. This is the 400 control, so it has the passing for the headlight. And then I got the high and low beam. Horn works. The turn signals are not working currently because this has an LED in it, and you have to run a switcher to get that stuff to work properly. But it is registering on the dash, which it could, like I said, gotta do some work on it. We getting there though. At least we got as much as this far. We're gonna get the gas tank set back up here like it goes. But anyways, we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it finished up. We that much closer. At least we got the harness on it. I deleted the evap stuff on it. So, like I said, we'll get the throttle body stuff in the morning took care of. We'll get all the rest of the stuff. I'll clean this mess up. We'll get the stuff laid out. We'll get this thing running the next few days and see what she sounds like, see what she runs like. I'm ready to get the back brakes on it and all that stuff. So anyways, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you one later. Thank you.